All right, today we're looking at a 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got 130,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. All right, silver ice metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side here. All right, it does have the running boards, power mirrors. It does have the sunroof with the roof rack available there. Driver's side of the Tahoe's in good shape. All right, there's no backup camera, all right, but it does have the rear park assist. Got your trailer plug and tow hitch right there. It's a little scuff back here on the back bumper. Right. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here. All right, it is a 2013. It's got 130,000 miles on it. All right, and the only other thing I see is a small little rub right here on the front bumper. But with 130,000 miles on it, that's to be expected. This thing will be priced right, priced competitively. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You got the dark gray with the light gray two-tone door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have heated seats. Okay, it's got the nice thick gray rubber floor mats down here. Gray leather. All right, power driver seat. It's got the captain's chairs in there. Driver seat's in great shape. All right, there's another shot of the sunroof there for you. It does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Nice center console here. A couple of wireless headphones there. Got your USB and power outlet over here in the back corner. All right, passenger seat leather's in great shape. All right, no problems there. It's got your cup holders here, 2 power outlets. There's your rear sonar, our park assist button. Got your adjustable pedals, dual climate controls. All right, it's got your 6-disc CD changer there. Let's see. Well, that might just be a single disc. Hold on one second. When I get it fired up here, I'll tell you. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 130,544 miles on it. Now that we've got it started here, we'll go back over here to your display screen. And I mentioned earlier about it having a CD disc changer. It does not. It's a single disc changer. It just has the DVD changer up here, okay, and then the CD one down here. It does have dual climate controls. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right. It does have the Bose audio. I'm going to give you a shot of that. Okay, right here, got the Bose audio. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels back here look good. Does have the rubber floor mats back here. Carpet's in good shape. Back seat leather looks good. No problems with it at all. All right, it does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. It does have rear heat and air. Okay, power outlet here. Got some auxiliary plugs here. It is equipped with the DVD player. All right, go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Does have the 3rd row seats back here, and you can take these all the way out and really open up the space, but there's still a good bit of room even with the seats in here. Okay, got the convenient power outlet here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape. Almost a brand new set of tires there. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2013 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. It's a 2-wheel drive. It's got 130,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in great shape with a 13 with that many miles on it. Just a couple of, like a one scuff in the front bumper, 1 scuff on the back, but everything else is in fabulous shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.